There was a time when a toolbox was filled with little more than a hammer, a drill, and a handful of screwdrivers. But in 2026, that's no longer enough. Today's newest tools are smarter, faster, and engineered to solve problems that once took hours in just a matter of minutes. From cutting-edge cordless power equipment and precision measuring technology to ingenious workshop inventions that professionals are already adding to their arsenal, innovation has reached a whole new level. We searched through the latest releases, industry award winners, and breakthrough designs to find the 16 most insane new tools that are actually worth your money. Some will save you time, others will save your back, and a few are so clever you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. Let's get started. The Vortlux. At first glance, the Vortlux looks like a sleek titanium capsule, but don't let its minimalist design fool you. Machined from grade 5 titanium, this palm-sized EDC tool packs an impressive lineup of essentials, including a pry bar, utility knife, magnetic bit driver, pen, and 4 S2 steel bits, PH2, SL3.0, SQ2, and T8H. Weighing just 28.2 grams and measuring only 66 millimeters long, it slips effortlessly into any pocket while staying ready for everyday repairs. During its Kickstarter launch, early bird pricing started at around $59, making it an excellent value for anyone who appreciates premium craftsmanship and practical everyday carry gear. LYMTOOL. If you've ever wished a precision measuring tool could fit on your keychain, the LYMTOOL delivers exactly that. This ingenious 6-in-1 mini vernier caliper combines a compact caliper with a ruler, bottle opener, hex wrench, screwdriver, and keychain-ready design, making it perfect for everyday carry. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's built for quick measurements and small repairs wherever you go. Despite its tiny footprint, it offers impressive practicality for makers, engineers, cyclists, and DIY enthusiasts. During its Kickstarter campaign, early bird backers could grab one for around $29, making it an affordable and surprisingly versatile pocket companion. Neofirefly K1. Losing your keys is frustrating, but the Neofirefly K1 is designed to make sure that never happens again. This premium smart key organizer combines Apple Find My and Android Find Hub compatibility with a built-in flashlight, 80 decibel smart alert, and magnetic USB charging in one sleek package. Its aluminum alloy frame securely holds up to 7 keys, while the tool-free design makes organizing them effortless. With a battery that lasts up to 6 months per charge, it's built for everyday convenience. During its Kickstarter campaign, early bird pricing started at $59, making it a smart upgrade for any EDC enthusiast. PolyCast 5. Imagine carrying one device that can replace a drawer full of remotes and still do far more. That's exactly what the PolyCast 5 brings to the table. Powered by an ESP32-C5 chip, it supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, LoRa, ESP-Now, and infrared, letting you control smart home devices, robots, PCs, and even DIY electronics from a single handheld gadget. It also features a 1,400 mAh rechargeable battery, open source firmware, AI-powered functions, and offline tools. During its Kickstarter campaign, early backers pledged around $159, making it an impressive choice for makers, tech enthusiasts, and automation fans. ZERA Mini. Most portable fans are either too bulky or too weak, but the ZERA Mini strikes an impressive balance between power and portability. About the size of a credit card and weighing just 69 grams, this ultra-compact fan delivers wind speeds of up to 13 meters per second with a 30,000 revolutions per minute high-speed motor. It also features a 360-degree rotating head, an intuitive digital display, and a rechargeable battery that can run for over 10 hours, making it ideal for travel, commuting, and outdoor adventures. During its Kickstarter campaign, early bird pricing started at around $23, offering exceptional value for such a compact cooling gadget. Fanttik C10 Pro. Cutting thick cardboard, leather, carpet, or fabric by hand can be tiring, but the Fanttik C10 Pro makes the job almost effortless. Powered by a 380-watt magnetic motor, these cordless electric scissors spin at up to 600 revolutions per minute, slicing through materials as thick as 0.39 inches with impressive precision. A 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides 45 to 50 minutes of runtime, while the digital battery display, dual speed modes, and quick swap blade system add everyday convenience. Priced at around $89.99, the C10 Pro is a worthwhile investment for DIYers, crafters, and professionals who want faster, cleaner, and more efficient cutting. HOTO Laser Measuring Tool. A tape measure has been a toolbox essential for decades, but the HOTO Laser Measuring Tool proves there's a smarter way to work. Weighing just 0.09 pounds and no bigger than a credit card, it's built for everyday carry while delivering accurate measurements from 0.16 to 98 feet with plus or minus 2 millimeters precision. The one-button operation, OLED display, USB-C rechargeable battery, and support for up to 1,000 measurements per charge make it incredibly convenient. Priced at around $30, it's an affordable upgrade for DIYers, homeowners, real estate professionals, and anyone who values speed, precision, and portability. WETOLS Corner Clamp. Getting perfect 90-degree corners can be frustrating, especially when you're working alone, but the WETOLS Corner Clamp makes the job surprisingly easy. This 4-piece set securely holds boards from 3/16 to 3/4 of an inch thick, making it ideal for cabinets, picture frames, furniture repairs, and DIY woodworking projects. Made from durable polyamide with strong spring-loaded tension, each clamp can be operated with one hand, leaving the other free to drill or glue. At around $16, it's a simple yet incredibly useful tool that saves time, improves accuracy, and belongs in every woodworker's toolbox. Laser Level Line Tool. Whether you're hanging family photos, installing shelves, or lining up cabinets, the Laser Level Line Tool takes the guesswork out of every project. This affordable 3-in-1 tool combines horizontal, vertical, and cross-line laser modes with 3 bubble levels and a built-in 8-foot measuring tape featuring both imperial and metric markings. Its simple one-button operation makes it easy for anyone to achieve straight, accurate results without expensive equipment. At around $10, it's an incredible value for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and weekend builders who want professional-looking results without stretching their budget. Coquimbo Tool. A dependable work light can make all the difference, and the Coquimbo Tool LED work light is proof that great tools don't have to be expensive. Folding down to just 5.8 inches and weighing only 4.9 ounces, it's compact enough to keep in your toolbox or glove compartment. The USB-C rechargeable battery, 5 lighting modes, 360-degree rotating head, strong magnetic base, and built-in hanging hook give you hands-free lighting exactly where you need it. Priced at around $14, it's an excellent value for mechanics, DIY, e-airs, campers, and anyone who wants reliable illumination for everyday tasks and emergencies. Fanttik R11 Pro. If you're looking for a compact saw that delivers serious cutting power, the Fanttik R11 Pro is hard to ignore. This cordless reciprocating saw features a 160-watt brushless motor with 0 to 2,200 strokes per minute, giving you smooth, controlled cuts through wood, PVC, and other materials up to 3/4 inch thick. Its dual-axis drive system minimizes vibration, while the LED display keeps you updated on battery life and speed settings in real time. Complete with 5 interchangeable blades, the R11 Pro is a versatile companion for DIY projects. At around $90, it offers impressive performance and excellent value. ENERTWIST Cordless Screwdriver. Every toolbox deserves a screwdriver that's both powerful and easy to handle. And the ENERTWIST Cordless Screwdriver checks all the right boxes. Its 8-volt motor delivers up to 10 Newton-meters of torque, while the 21+1 clutch settings and 230 revolutions per minute speed provide excellent control for furniture assembly, home repairs, and light drilling. The 1500 mAh rechargeable battery can drive up to 300 M4x40mm screws on a single charge, and the dual position handle, LED work light, and 1/4 inch hex chuck make every job more comfortable. At around $42, it's a reliable, feature-packed tool that offers outstanding value for die cents. Why enthusiasts? REXBETI Folding Saw. When you're miles from home, a dependable saw can be the difference between a smooth adventure and a frustrating one. The REXBETI Folding Saw is built for exactly those moments. Its 11-inch hardened SK5 steel blade with 7 TPI staggered teeth powers through 6 to 7-inch branches with impressive speed and control, while the folding design makes it easy to pack for camping, bushcraft, or yard work. The rubber-coated ergonomic handle provides a secure grip in any weather, reducing fatigue during long jobs. At around $19, it's an affordable outdoor tool that delivers performance far beyond its price. RAK Magnetic Wristban. If you've ever climbed a ladder only to drop a screw, the RAK Magnetic Wristband is about to become your new favorite tool. Built from rugged 1680D ballistic nylon, it features 10 powerful embedded magnets that securely hold screws, nails, drill bits, bolts, and washers right on your wrist. The breathable mesh lining and adjustable one-size-fits-most strap keep it comfortable during long projects, whether you're working in construction, carpentry, auto repair, or DIY. Priced at around $20, it's a simple yet brilliant gadget that saves time, reduces frustration, and keeps your hands free for the job. KINGMAX Pocket Knife. Whether you're fixing something at home or heading into the outdoors, the KINGMAX Pocket Knife is the kind of multi-tool you'll be glad you packed. Built from 440C stainless steel, it combines a knife, saw, pliers, can opener, bottle opener, and a 9-in-1 screwdriver bit set into one compact folding design. The secure liner lock keeps the blade safely in place, while the ergonomic handle and nylon belt pouch make it comfortable to carry every day. Priced at around $20, it offers outstanding versatility and value for DIY projects, camping, hiking, and everyday repairs. Reacher Grabber. Simple tools often make the biggest difference, and the Reacher Grabber is a perfect example. With its 34-inch extended reach, 90-degree rotating rubberized jaw, and ergonomic full-hand trigger, it lets you pick up items from the floor, high shelves, or tight spaces without bending or straining. The lightweight foldable design makes it easy to store or take on the go, while the durable steel cable mechanism ensures long-lasting performance. Priced at around $9, it's an incredibly practical tool for seniors, people with limited mobility, homeowners, and anyone who wants a safer, more convenient way to reach everyday items.